Welcome back, everyone. Hugh from Simple Swim. Thanks for being patient. Just wanted to let you know that I have some content online and it's available for $1. And I know you've been very patient, and so I appreciate that. I'm very grateful that you're here. Just wanted to say that I know that this, in my opinion, this information, this content is going to keep you safe. It's going to make you feel safe in deep water. It's going to make you feel confident. And I didn't want another summer to go by without you actually seeing this. So thanks for being patient. There's going to be a lot of bloopers in there, but I know you probably don't care about that. You want to see what's going on in the water. And so I invite everybody who's kind of on the fence to watch the FAQs if you don't know whether this program's for you. But at $1, it's like, what do you got to lose? Just so you know, that's a temporary price. I will, when we get things fixed up, then we will be charging more. But right now, we just wanted to make sure that some of the people who are interested in seeing it right away, they can also contribute to how the course is tailored. So we'll be asking you for your feedback, and of course, we'll welcome any kind of voluntary feedback also. But the bottom line is we want you to tell us how the course could be improved, and what worked for you and what didn't work for you. And then of course we'll try to change things along the way in terms of what goes on in the water and things like that. But so thanks for being patient. We're very grateful that you're here. I hope that you get a lot of you experience a lot of transformation, and you enjoy the course, and you tell as many people about it as possible, given the fact that our entry level right now is almost nothing. So enjoy it. Make sure you have all your equipment, your nose clip, your goggles, and a jacket if the water's cold, and hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for listening.